Hi everyone, I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. I wanted to make it using the Smart Label. This is the dissolvable paper that Cricut came out with their launch of the new materials. It comes in two sizes, one for the Joy and one regular size roll for your Explorer or Maker machines. I love these over the other products, even though those other products are awesome. But let me show you how I'm going to use this on my projects. So if you want to follow along, if you have a roll of these, you need a mat. You could use the blue or the green, but I pretty much use the green for everything. I have a pen, a pair of scissors, or this rotary blade to cut a piece of it, because I am going to use my maker. If you have the 3 series or the little Joy, you do not need these to cut. It will feed through the machine without the mat. And another thing is I took these insertable plastic providers. These are plastic, as said, and let's begin to make our project. So here I'm going to make some dissolvable labels because my husband wanted some labels for his seasoning and some other seasonings that we have. I'm choosing a writing font because I'm going to be using a pen. Also, you could clear all filters if yours is highlighted if you're not seeing everything. I changed the size of the font because I needed to be what would fit my containers. I chose a square. I unlocked the square, the lock, so I can manipulate the size to make it a rectangle. Once I have it positioned in place, I'm duplicating it before I attach it so that I could change the words of what it is. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to speed up a little bit of the clip so we can get to the make it screen. I'm going to duplicate some more labels, leave some blank so my husband can fill out whatever he wants later. Here in the make it screen, I have my labels ready. I noticed that I had one extra, so I went back and I deleted one blank label, and then here I am rearranging the mat so that it can fit through one strip. So once it's going to the material selection, because I'm using the maker, I am going to use the washi setting. If you're using the Explorer 3 or Maker 3 series, there will be a drop down for smart material, and you could choose dissolvable label with that. But because I am using the regular Maker machine, you could select this setting, and because it's thinner than sticker, it will work. Labeling my jar, I like to upcycle my jars, so I'm putting it onto my jar. For convenience, you can see on the folder I did already have it on the divider folder that is plastic. Container of water right here already. So as you can see, it's nice instead of inserting, if you put a sticker, you can also wash it away later. So it's pretty cool. I love this dissolving process. So you just wait about like 30 seconds. You could give it a push by rubbing it a little bit as it's dissolving, and you could get rid of the residue. You can see work right now.